Okay, so what we're trying to do here is we're really trying to see how far we can push barley yield. So we know that wheat is generally more productive in this higher rainfall zone, and so what we see is that barley tends to be slightly shorter season, so it's not taking advantage of the full growing season compared to wheat, and there's some genetic constraints to barley that really cap its yield potential a little bit. So we're having a look at some diverse material, sowing it early and just really seeing how far we can go, or if we can go, in terms of improving yield. Hello, my name's Kenton Porker and I'm a research scientist for SARDI, for the New Variety Agronomy Group based out of the Wake campus. And we're here today at a trial site at Tarlee, looking at a barley trial site sown on the 17th of April. We're not really at a stage to give yield results yet, but we've certainly got some different phenology responses here. So we have a really nice spread in maturity, right through from flowering today to even just going past Z31 today. So that's really what it's about, is trying to match development to sowing date and trying to match flowering time to the environment, particularly in this higher rainfall zone. The main two varieties I'm interested in and comparing to are Roslyn. So Roslyn is a really high yielding potential variety, but it's quite short season. Now we have a new European variety, RGT Planet, which has really been the benchmark in terms of yield potential coming out of national variety trials. So we're really comparing some other European material. So we have winter material in here. So they are varieties that need a vernalisation requirement, quite slower developing, and we have some slower developing spring cultivars to really see how do they perform against Planet when we sow them early in a high rainfall environment. A little component to the trial is also looking at the potential of slower developing cultivars for grazing. So we know they have a longer vegetative period. It mightn't necessarily mean we have more biomass, but it might mean that we have a longer period to graze. Or conversely, how about some of the spring types? How might we control lodging with plant growth regulants in some of those tall, vigorous spring types? So I guess it's early days, but we look forward to the results.